Hi everybody, welcome to this new video. In this video, I would like to talk about how you can monitor your employees in the workplace. And I have been posting a lot of videos about this topic here in this channel. And here, this video is explicitly for you small business owners that have um, I don't know, 10 to 20 employees and you want to monitor them. And for you, we have a very special solution that you might or might not yet or already have tried on our website, wolfeye.de. But first of all, one notice. mm, Please check with your lawyer and take legal advice if you in your situation in your country are allowed to use employee monitoring software, because our software you can only use it for legal purposes and you are responsible to check and to take legal advice if in your country in your situation that's possible. Where is it definitely possible? In most Middle and South American countries, like for example Peru, Colombia, um, um, Brazil, Chile, Mexico, all of these South American countries, there is no problem monitoring their employees. So even if you're a US based company, if you have a staff in these countries, please check with your lawyer if you can use this kind of software. Um, so how can you monitor your employees in the workspace? Well, we are from wolfeye.de and I will show you how you can do it with the software Wolfeye. Um, let's go to our website, wolfeye.de. Here it is, wolfeye.de. This is our website. And basically what you will see, and that's in this three-part video, I will show you how you can set it up yourself, how you can do it, so that at the end you will see a screen like this, where you will see the live computer screen of all your employees in one browser window, as if you were sitting in front of it by yourself, but without them noticing anything. So you will be able to monitor the work of all your employees at the same time. Basically, you see the live screen in live what they are doing, yeah? And that's basically what I'm going to show you here. Um, the first thing that you must do is please, of course, take legal advice and watch our tutorial. Before you download the software, watch our tutorial. We have a 9-minute tutorial video here, and then download the software. Download the software on each of the employees' computer that you want to monitor. And I will demonstrate it here on this computer to see how it works. The file that you download is here, and please make sure that you copy and run the file in C, users, public. This is very important, and then you can choose any of these folder. Public documents I have already downloaded. You can create a folder and name it as you like. I named it WFLS. And basically, this is the file that you will download. It's called kernel. You run the application and the control window appears. But please watch the tutorial. I have abbreviated it a bit, so there might be some things that you have to take into consideration. For example, you will have to put this folder into the exception list of your antivirus program. Before you extract the zip file, you must extract the zip file. The password to the zip file is Wolfeye. Watch the tutorial, everything is explained there. But basically, this is the control window. And you have some buttons here. You have some buttons here. The first button says share screen. You hit it, and the software will create a link. And that's a link. You see, this is a URL. You will be able to open this link with any browser, with the browser of your laptop, your personal laptop, with the browser of your smartphone. And on this link, you already are going to see the live computer screen of the computer, basically. This will be the live computer screen of the computer. So you do it on each of these employees' computer. This link here, open URL, you can either save this link or you can hit the open URL, hit the button. If you hit it, it automatically opens that link. And you will, of course, see the live screen. It updates every 3 seconds. You will see an updated screenshot, so to speak, of the computer that's monitoring. Of course, you will never use this button. You might want to use the third button that says email URL, because that button will send this link to your email address, to your email inbox, so that you can open the link from within your email, for example, from your smartphone or from your other computer. So this might be a useful button. Anyways, um, right, for each of your employees' computer, you write down this link. And the last button you must hit, you basically two buttons that you hit. The green button that turns red, and then the stealth mode button. You hit the stealth mode button, and the window disappears, goes into background, and yeah, goes into background and continues to run. And whenever you restart the system, the software will be in the background and will start also without the user noticing anything. Um, all these links, please send them to us. And so we will create for you first a password protection, a second, a link. We will send you a link where all your links are listed and where you will see, you have already seen it here, where a link, a URL where you will see all the live screens at the same page. Basically, you will see all live screens at the same time. And also, you will be able to open each of these links separately, so you don't have to memorize all these links. Send them to us and we will create the password protection. We will create this link where you see all the screens at the same time. But what I would like to ask you is, please write us an email. Write us an email or a WhatsApp. Basically, WhatsApp is also very good. And both schedule a Google Meet with us, because in a Google Meet session, um, if we will probably have different time zones, because I'm in Germany and you will be in some South American country, in Mexico, whatever you are, or you are in some other country but want to set it up in some South American countries. So please select, for example, a day, select a time. That will make sure that we both select a time that's good for you, that's good for me. So please contact us. And we will guide you. We will be with you when you install it. We can at the same time can set everything up for you so that you will have the monitoring. And you will set everything up before making any purchase decision. So please let us set it up so that you can try it. Try it a few days, try it maybe a week, um, um, however you like it. It is important that before you do any decision that you test it out. So I hope this helps, and I'm